10 reasons not to date an older woman. 1. She is disrespectful. An older woman won't respect you because she sees you as her junior or a boy not mature enough to guide her. She is probably funding your lifestyle, and this makes her disrespect you even more. 2. She is angry. Since she is older, she will not plug into your masculine energy. This leaves her empty, deprived and frustrated. What follows is a series of drama and chaos, including alcoholism. She hates her life, she is angry at herself, and therefore she will project this anger towards you. 3. She is rebellious. An older woman believes she is more mature and experienced than you in the marriage. She will openly refuse your instructions and order. She will ridicule your actions and defy you both in public and private. 4. She is manipulative. An older woman will manipulate you for her own egocentric needs. She will trick you to make wrong decisions that fulfill her temporary desires. Then when things backfire, she will blame you and call you out. This will again make you make further wrong decisions to appease her. 5. She suffers sexual numbness. An older woman has seen more ceiling boards than a painter. Her sensory areas that excite her sex experience are numb. She will therefore resort to masturbation or using dildos to jumpstart her dead erotic zones. When having sex with her, she will be rubbing her clitoral end or use a dildo to excite her. 6. She is infertile. An older woman is probably a retired war veteran. She has a history of abortions or prolonged use of hormonal contraceptives and other clandestine gynecological procedures or hormonal therapies. Her chances of conception are very narrow or even zero. 7. She will cheat. An older woman will openly cheat on you, and there is nothing you will do. She is deprived of solid masculine power, and therefore she will be looking for a man older than her to fulfill the deprivation. 8. She is a baby mama. She has a baby, and therefore she is looking for a father figure to her child. She knows that no serious man will accept her with the baby, therefore her surest bet is a younger man she can pocket and manipulate. If you don't see her baby, probably the baby is with her mother. The one she calls my niece or my nephew. 9. She will isolate you. An older woman will isolate you from your parents, siblings, relatives and friends. She will not allow them near you because they will pump sense into your head. 10. She will dump you. Eventually, after sucking every value from you, she will dump you. She will leave you devastated and shattered. Your life will be on a downward spiral, and consequently, you will be depressed or commit suicide. Avoid dating a woman who is older than you.